In this video, I want to show you how to properly use PolyFlash 1C. Let's get into it. PolyFlash 1C is a new material that we've really grown fond of. When it dries into a super elastic and hard material that can be used to flash and protect vulnerable areas as well as difficult to flash areas. We're going to be applying it with a 2 or 3 inch brush. One of your cheap ones from your local hardware store will do. And we're going to be reinforcing it with a polyester fabric. These come in either 4, 6, or 36-inch rolls. In these videos, we're going to be using a 4-inch roll around our details. We're going to be using it around our scuppers and any other vulnerable area that's hard to flash. Let's get into it. Alright, PolyFlash 1C is a great solution for both areas that you really want to make sure are bulletproof, as well as uniquely shaped flashings or penetrations on the roof. I've nailed down a random piece of metal on here. This is obviously not a real flashing that gets installed. However, I just wanted to show you that if you had a piece of L metal, we do have 90-degree L metals that are installed on flat roofs from time to time. When they'll structurally retrofit like a parapet wall, they'll put angle iron all around the parapet wall. And we had issues. So we don't like pitch pockets necessarily, because pitch pockets require maintenance. PolyFlash 1C is a great solution. It's warranted for up to 20 years. And what we found it to work very well, especially when it's coupled with polyester fabric. So the first thing we want to do is really just cut out some polyester in preparation. Scissors, in our opinion, works best. You want to just reinforce that, 3-4 inches on the top, 3-4 inches on the bottom, and you want to do that for all 3-4 sides. Now in areas like this in corners, what we like to do is cut it at a 45-degree angle. That way we'll have a proper overlap and protect that corner. So we'll cut something like this out. Install this on this side and flap it around here. And we'll do the same thing on this side. All right, so we've got our fabric ready to go. I'm going to remove it. We're going to apply our first layer of PolyFlash, then install our polyester. You don't want to go on too thick nor too light. You just want to get a nice solid bed, fill in any cracks and crevices. You can see here we applied our first layer of PolyFlash 1C, embedded our polyester. Now we're going over it with another light layer. You want to make sure that the polyester is fully embedded and you're not able to see much of that fabric anymore. Guys, thanks for watching. We have a lot of other videos on this channel about torch down roofing. If there's anything that you like to do different, let us know below. We'd love to hear from you. Give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.